So you've received your brand new PF22.2, you're super excited to use it. Now what do? So as mentioned in the previous video, you've got a host of different adapters available to you as per the configuration you have chosen on the website and the type of pressure washer that you have. So I'm going to show you right now what to do as soon as you open your box and how to make this a plug and play system in under 30 seconds. So again, it's going to come in a beautiful box like this. You're super excited. I know when I received mine, I couldn't sleep. Let's just say that. So I know you guys will all be the same because you're the same as me and you're crazy. So again, within the box, you will see this, which is a box of heaven. So as you can see, everything in here is actually in pieces. So you need to put this all together, but this is a super simple process where you literally bolt a few things on and you're good to go. So the bottle, it's got a cap on it. The cap may not be attached, but you just take the cap off. You may never need this. Now, like I keep saying, if you have decided on a certain, so on the drop down on the website, on the drop down menu on the website, you have chosen a certain fitment. So in this case, you've got a short trigger and you want to use a 1/4 inch quick disconnect attachment. So within this bag, again, you will have a 1/4 inch quick disconnect attachment. It's a very simple thing. Now again, the reason why this is not already torqued down on here is you're going to see very clearly in a second. Inside of here, you can see that with a line? That is where you can have your different orifices. So still in this, every cannon will come with this. This is a different orifice. So this is a 1.1 mil orifice in here, whereas in here, you've got a 1.25 mil orifice as standard. So the reason we don't torque this down is because I don't know what pressure washer you've got. You could have a Karcher K2, which has got quite a bad flow rate, or you can have an 1152 like us, or even, you know, bigger, more powerful pressure washers. But for example, let's say your pressure washer is outputting a good literage per minute. Keep this in here. If you've got a Karcher K2, which has got a bad flow rate, take a little screwdriver, unscrew this, put a new one in, and basically what this does is it increases the pressure, which in turn increases the foam capacity out the cannon. So if you've got a Karcher K2 and you keep a 1.25 orifice nozzle in there, nothing's going to break, nothing bad's going to happen. It's just you might drop the foam quality. Same applies if you've got a huge pressure washer. So if you've got an 1152 like us, or even a bigger pressure washer, do not put a 1.1 mil orifice in here, because it will just blow up your pressure washer. It's going to put too much strain on the internals of the pressure washer, and you're going to see a big kaboom, and you're not going to be happy. So all that being said, this is the exact reason why there's no attachments on there, but it takes you literally 2 seconds. So like I said, you've got a 1/4 inch quick disconnect, which is what I've got here. Everything's going to be pre-taped, as you see. It's got PTFE tape on there. So this is the 1/4 inch. I've decided I want the 1/4 inch, and that's the pressure washer kind of output that I've decided to have because that's what I've got. So what you do is, there's only one way you can put this in. You take the tip end, and first of all, you line it up like so. So you do a hand tighten, which goes pretty much all the way in, okay? Some of them may stick out a little bit more and you'll see a bit more white. Now, hand tighten. What you then do is you get an adjustable spanner, or you just get a, I think is it a 14 or 8 mil spanner. You take it around the hex design. So just so you can see, take it around the hex design and you tighten it. A little bit more than hand tighten. So look, see, it's tight there. It's not going anymore. Give it one more pull. There we go. Now, that is finished. That is you're good to go. Now within this, obviously you get your suction tube, your injection tube. Again, there's only one place you can put it, which is here. So all you do is you just give it some good old manpower, or female power for that case, if you're a woman doing this. There we go, see, it's all the way in. And then the final bit is you get your cannon, you put it in there. Now, what I would recommend, do not, so in this case, this is my left hand. Don't use your left hand to screw it on, because this inside, this is metal, okay? This here is metal, this is plastic. As you can see, the threads are plastic. So you don't want to accidentally cross-thread it or use too much force. So I use my right hand in this case, and I'm just holding with my left, there, see? I'm just doing a very gentle thread. Boom, that is your foam cannon setup now. So all you've got to do is plug it into your 1/4 inch female, obviously, because this will take the 1/4 inch male, and plug it in, obviously have some soap solution in there, whether it be YumFoam, YumWash, any other product that you use, and you're ready to play. So real time, that probably took what, 15 seconds, 20 seconds? Now this is the easiest fitting to do, again, because there's only one ever moving part in it. Now, if, for example, like the majority of people in the UK, if you've got a Karcher, for example, you've got a Karcher pressure washer, you will select this option within the website once again. Now, I'm just going to show you this. You know, if you tape these correctly, look how beautiful that looks, even after you remove it. Beautiful tape lines. So, for example, if you've got a Karcher pressure washer, you've decided to select Karcher. So with these, there's a two adapters this time. There's 2 adapters this time. And so number one is the extension pole. As you can see, there's both the threaded side, and you've got the really kind of obvious one, the Karcher bayonet system. So again, both of these ends are going to be taped. So one end, which goes in here, is going to be taped for demonstration purposes. I'm just going to show you this way. So it's going to be taped like so, and it's going to arrive like you see now. And this final end, the same thing as on the 1/4 inch, this is going to be taped. So all you then have to do is exactly the same, is put it in the one hole that you're allowed to put it in, screw it in at hand tightness, like that, bosh, and then you would take, again, your adjustable spanner, obviously readjust it to fit this, and where the bayonet itself is, what I would recommend is just put your spanner around there and just keep twisting until it is at a good tightness level. Again, don't over tighten anything, don't forget these are threads, so just do it once, do it right. And it should be at the 6 and 12 position. That way, one second, that way you would put it in sideways into the lance, it twists into lock, and obviously the foam cannon straight. And exactly the same with the nilfis connection. Now the nilfis connection's all metal, as you can see, it's all brass. Now you're still going to get the extension pipe that I've just showed you, which is here. Same sketch, I'm not going to show you again. I'm sure you can understand how to do that. And that's it, guys. You literally choose your product of choice, mix it in at your dilution ratios. I've tightened this too far, there we go. And you're good to go. So as I said, 30 seconds, and this is truly the only reason why we don't screw these in, because at the end of the day, you could come in, you get this, you've got a Karcher K2, you've got another option of an orifice there, and you've got to mess around by taking it all off, putting it back on, wasting your time, whereas this way, you start from the start and you can do it in another 30 seconds. So that's how you set up your PF22 foam cannon, guys. It's very, very simple. It's very, very quick. Don't be scared. I do not know how to work tools. Everybody knows this already on the channel, yet, you know, it's very simple for me. And if it's simple for me, it's going to be simple for you. So if you're watching this video, you've clearly got the PF22, or you're looking at changing the attachments, or this is kind of your first unboxing experience of the PF22. So now you know what to do. It's very simple. Again, if you look after this cannon, it will look after you for most likely ever. There's no issues, no kind of maintenance. Now, if there is any maintenance that you have to do on it, there's a nipple on here that you press it, it just disassembles the whole gun. If you need to change your gauze, again, another 30-second kind of maintenance procedure. And you've got the best cannon in the world. So hope this video has helped, guys. Hope this video has helped you, guys, and I hope you keep enjoying the MTM PF22. So on that note, I'm going to leave you. Hope you've enjoyed the video. You know what to do. Share it to all the places you know where to share it to. Tell your friends, all the good stuff, and I will catch you very soon on the next one.